Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates in Excel. Whether you are managing data for work or personal projects, identifying duplicates can be crucial for maintaining accuracy and efficiency. So let's start the video. First, open your Excel spreadsheet containing the data you want to analyze. Now select the range of cells where you want to check for duplicates. We are going to look for duplicates in this name column. So select all the cells. Now click on the Home tab in the Excel ribbon, and in Styles section, click on Conditional Formatting. From the drop-down menu, hover your cursor over Highlight Cell Rules and select Duplicate Values from the sub-menu. A dialog box will appear. Here you can choose how you want the duplicates to be highlighted. You can stick with the default formatting or customize the color to make the duplicates stand out even more. Click on OK button. Instantly, Excel will highlight all the duplicate values within your selected range. So that's how to highlight duplicates in Excel. Thanks for watching.